Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing essentials. Verify your database access level and obtain connection details so you can run queries. Next, extract a small schema sample with 1050 representative rows and note primary/foreign keys. This gives the model context. Once done, pick an LLM and set sensible API params, lower temperature for predictable SQL. Then create a simple prompt template that includes schema, an example input, and the desired SQL output format, so you immediately produce usable state. You now focus on crafting prompts that make the model precise. Include table and column types, indexes, and a one-line task goal so the model knows constraints and intent. Then add 2 to 3 few-shot examples that cover common edge cases. This teaches pattern mapping. Once you have SQL candidates, validate them on 5-10 test rows and compare results to expected outputs. If mismatches appear, refine the prompt, add constraints, or show corrected examples to guide the model toward correct joins and filters. You finish by running the generated SQL in a sandboxed environment and inspect the explain plan to catch performance issues. Make sure to parameterize inputs, add safeguards like limit or transaction rollbacks, and enforce role-based access so production data stays protected. Once validated, deploy into your workflow or a scheduled job. If things go wrong, first check for schema mismatches, ambiguous column names, or missing join keys. Then update the prompt with explicit column qualifiers and rerun tests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.